everyone, welcome back. I am Gunjan. If you're new here, I'll give you just a brief introduction about me. I am a Delhi based makeup artist and I also make YouTube videos related to makeup. And if you have any inquiry related to bridal makeup or engagement makeup bookings, please get in touch with me on my social media handles or comment down below and I'll get back to you. This is the look that I've created for Raksha Bandhan. I know अभी कोविड की वजह से मोस्टली लोग घर से नहीं निकलने वाले हैं and they're going to only spend their Raksha Bandhan or any other festival that is coming inside their houses. But there is no harm in getting ready, right? Get ready for yourself just to feel good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you really liked it, and share it with all your friends because everybody wants to get ready on a festival. So without further ado, let's step into the video. I will be going in with a primer. I'm using Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Nykaa Prep Me Up भी use कर सकते हो, वो बहुत अच्छा primer है. Put your lip balms always before makeup. Now that my skin prep is completely done, I'll start with the eyes first today. This is one of the great concealers if it comes to drugstores. I will be using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. I know अभी ये थोड़ा अजीब लगेगा, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So I quickly did my eyebrows off the camera because मैंने एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाया है ब्राउज के ऊपर कि मैं कैसे अपनी ब्राउज फिल करती हूँ पाउडर से पोमेड से. तो आज मैंने पोमेड यूज़ किया है. दिस इज़ डार्क ब्राउन फ्रॉम एनास्टासिया बेवर्ली हिल्स. इट्स अ डिप ब्राउ पोमेड. तो जब मैं वो वीडियो डालूंगी तो आप वो जाके देखना. फॉर द आईज आई हैव थॉट समथिंग वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड सटल बिकॉज राखी मोस्टली डे टाइम में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं लोग और अभी आजकल कोविड की वजह से मोस्टली पीपल विल नॉट बी स्टेपिंग आउट बट यू शुड गेट रेडी फॉर योर सेल्फ. तो मैं कलर्स भी मोस्टली वैसे ही यूज़ करूँगी जो मोस्टली सबके पास अवेलेबल होते हैं, लाइक पिंक्स एंड ब्राउन्स एंड ब्लैक एंड अ हिंट ऑफ कलर. We'll see that. So I'll be using Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. This is one of my favorite palettes from Huda Beauty. And this is actually actually the first palette that I bought when I started my professional makeup course. And I adore this. This is a very muted pink. Something like this. I'll take it on my blending brush and place it in my crease line. Slightly above my crease line actually, not in my crease line. If you want to own a palette, I would recommend this palette because I know it's a little expensive but अभी Nykaa पे sale थी तो it was of almost half the price. मतलब this is one of the palette that I would recommend कि सबके पास होना चाहिए because इसमें ऐसे shades हैं जो हर Indian skin tone पर जाते हैं. Invest your time in blending. Don't just do it for the heck of it. I will be taking these two shades. I'll be mixing them together. ये जो दो कलर्स हम मिक्स करके लगाएंगे इसको we'll be just putting slightly below the transition shade, not on the complete lid, in the starting at least, so that you get to see the transition and then you can blend it. After you've deposited the color, then you can take a clean fluffy blending brush and blend it together. इस चीज़ का खास ख्याल रखना कि जब भी आप ब्लेंड करोगे बहुत सॉफ्ट हो. तो अब मैं एक ब्राउन पेंसिल ले रही हूँ. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम मैक. इट्स कॉल्ड टेडी. एंड व्हेन यू पुटिंग दिस पेंसिल इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट इट हैज़ टू बी वेरी क्रिस्प एंड क्लीन. इट कैन बी मेसी बिकॉज वी गोइंग टू ब्लेंड इट. मैं फटाफट से सेम ब्रश से जिससे मैंने वो ब्लेंड किया है आई ब्लेंड दिस. You can use any brown pencil, okay? आप कोई भी ब्लैक आई शेडो ले सकते हो. मुझे अपनी लैश लाइन के बिल्कुल पास में फिल इन करना है. दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई एम टेकिंग दिस ब्रश. अगर आपके पास ब्लैक आई शेडो नहीं भी है तो काजल भी यूज़ कर सकते हो इसके लिए आप. पर एक वो ट्रांजिशन दिखाना है फ्रॉम पिंक टू ब्राउन टू द ब्लैक. वापस से वही ब्रश लेंगे जिससे हमने ब्राउन ब्लेंड किया था और इसको बहुत लाइट हैंड से डिफ्यूज़ करना है बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट कि कम्प्लीटली डिफ्यूज़ हो जाए. आई डू द सेम थिंग ऑन द अदर आई एंड देन गेट बैक. Alright, so I've done my other eye off the camera and I've also put some kajal on my waterline. Now it is the time to curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna try my new mascara from Forever 52. I'm like a kid when it comes to new products. I'm like, come to me. And I just get so excited. Sometimes it's like, कुछ products इतने सुंदर होते हैं दिखने में, especially the eyeshadow products, that you don't even feel like touching them. When they come, it's like, you're a new baby, you sleep, you rest. No, but you gotta use them. Okay. I'll just put some corrector on my face because I've got a bit of pigmentation happening around here. It just needs to go. I will be blending it with the blender, but still I like to go on with my fingers because it just warms the products and just lets it seep into the skin better. I'm using LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Illuminating Foundation in 2 shades. I'm in the shade Nude Beige and Warm Beige. I like mixing my shades a lot. I'll try not to use any concealer today because I've corrected my skin, so I think that should be enough. This foundation is really good for people who have dry skin. So if any of you have dry skin and you're looking for a foundation, try LA Girl Illuminating one, not the Pro Matte one. I used to watch Elton's video, I think 4-5 years back, and I was like, I always wanted to learn makeup, but I remember him saying, he used to always say, blend, 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 blend is your friend. So I'll be adding liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution. You see the glow, and the best part about this highlighter is that it will not give you heavy flashbacks in the pictures. Make sure there are no lines here. And now whatever is left on my blender, I'll just take it on all over my face. Now while I've powdered my face, I will just wipe this off. I will be taking my Too Faced palette, and this is called as Sugar Plum Cookie, and it literally smells like a cookie. Like you wanna eat it, but it's okay, I'll just put it on my face. Most of the girls are, but I'm not a very big fan of pink, but this is going to be a very pinky and rosy monochromatic look. Oh my god, that highlight looks. Now I'll take my contour powder on my Real Technique brush. I'll only put some highlighter on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, very little. Take some of it on the brow bone, very little on the inner corner of the eye. We're almost done. Now I'll be only putting some teal blue pencil under my eye. We don't need to put this in the waterline. I'll be putting it outside the waterline. You can use any color. Take a pencil brush and blend it, just to add some color under the eye, because that is what I was talking about. In the starting, be very careful and blend it before it dries off. I did not put the teal color all over the lower lash line, so just put it halfway through, just where your eyeballs in the middle. You can take some black color eyeshadow and just smoke it out a little bit more if you want to make it a little more intense. Now it's time for lipstick, and I will be using NYX Professional Makeup's Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Soft Spoken. Too much of S. Now I am so excited for this. This is again a new product in my vanity. This is from Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. It's called Gulabe. I recently got it from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale because I wanted to get my hands on this and it was on offer, so it was a deal. What I love about the Smashbox lipsticks is that The formulation and the texture is so good that it will not make your lips look dry or feel dry. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up below and leave your comment down. I hope you guys try this out on Raksha Bandhan. My aim for this look was that it should be simple and easy to access, and anybody who watches this should feel like doing it. Plus, I've used colors which are available in every girl's vanity, so you can easily achieve this look even without lashes. I've not put any lashes, I've just curled them nicely and put on some coats of mascara to open them up, and I believe this is the most easy and glam look you can do for your Raksha Bandhan. अगर आप इस वीडियो के लास्ट तक पहुंच गए हो तो दिस इज द टाइम दैट आई रिमाइंड यू गाइज, सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो सब दोस्तों के साथ, सब भाई बहनों के साथ. ओके, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.